2024 Honda Ridgeline marks a significant leap in innovation and rugged design, focusing on enhanced off-road performance, updated aesthetics, and advanced technology. One of the most prominent changes lies in the introduction of the first-ever Ridgeline TrailSport model, specifically engineered for extreme off-road adventures. This variant boasts an off-road tuned suspension, all-terrain tires, and steel underbody protection, enabling enthusiasts to venture further off the beaten path with confidence. Apart from its enhanced off-road capabilities, the 2024 Ridgeline showcases an evolution in both its exterior and interior features. Notably, the Ridgeline's design receives a rugged upgrade with Ridgeline emblazoned across the tailgate and a refreshed grille exhibiting a sporty mesh design, amplifying its tough aesthetic. The practicality of the Ridgeline is highlighted through its wide bed equipped with an in-bed trunk and a dual-action tailgate, providing multiple access options. Inside the cabin, a significant technological overhaul takes place with the inclusion of a new 7-inch digital instrument panel as standard, offering user-selectable functions and integrating Honda sensing settings. Additionally, a larger 9-inch color touchscreen with a faster processor becomes standard across all trims, accompanied by wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Comfort and functionality also get a boost with the introduction of a new center console boasting expanded storage and wireless charging capabilities.